the end of the world gonna look like, man? Just like this here, nigga. Pitch mother black. Pitch black, man. Everywhere, man. Talking about you got snow. Snow made everything go. But we still rolling, man. They still got some buildings with lights, but it's over like, I'm gonna say over 50% of Houston in the dark, man. Just crazy, man. If y'all still got lights, man, thank God, man. Everybody ain't got it, man. That little building over there lit up for nothing. Harris County Appraisal District still got their lights. As you can see on the freeway, pitch black.
Oh, they doing something on the freeway now.
They probably putting that sand on the roads, man. I'm talking about it's pitch black, y'all, everywhere, man. Even the rooms, man. People talking about, let's go get a room, let's go get a room. The rooms is dark, man. Look at that, man. Hampton Inn, man. Even this nice Grand Tuscany hotel, man. Lights off, man. This is crazy, man. Talking about it's butt naked on the lights, man. Butt naked, man. Bucket naked, like what's that boy Robin Williams, or whatever that boy name is, Robin Harris. Oh, big ice. As you can see, it's still ice on the road, man. Look at this fool up here. Flying on the freeway one deep. It's crazy, man. It's like the end of the world, man, for real, man. I'm looking out for zombies, man. This is the zombie apocalypse, man. Even the phones. No service, man. No bars. Some people got action on their phones. I don't. I got an Android. Look at that, man. Reach the end. Butt naked. Lights off, man. Ain't nothing, man. We coming to a red light, man. But the red light is not on. OMG. What is that car doing over there? Stay over there. Butt naked. You got the tow truck scandal going on over here. What y'all doing over there? You got it, baby?
Oh.
I don't know if I think my video too long for YouTube, man. Dang. I'm gonna have to cut this off, man, and try to do it again, man. Is there a certain time you can put on YouTube on? Look at that, man. Y'all talking about let's go get a room, let's go get a room. Oh, yo. Butt naked on the lights. They got ice patches everywhere on the road. Spicks. Born and raised in Texas. Oh, wow. I guess just certain parts of Houston, man, lights on, man. Clap on, clap off, man. The clapper, man. Come back to you, man.